The mid-size SUV segment is one of the most competitive spaces in the automotive world. And for over 2 decades, the Toyota Highlander has been right at the center of it. Now, for 2027, Toyota is raising the bar with a comprehensive redesign that touches everything, from the way it looks to the way it drives. This is the all-new 2027 Toyota Highlander, and it might just be the most significant update this nameplate has ever received. Today, we're going to break it all down: the design, the interior, the technology, the powertrains, and whether it's actually worth your money. Let's get into it. Starting on the outside, the 2027 Highlander adopts Toyota's latest design language, and it is a departure from what we've seen before. The front fascia is wider and more assertive, with a slimmer grille that flows seamlessly into the headlight assembly. Those headlights, by the way, are full LED units with a distinctive light signature that gives the Highlander a much more modern and upscale presence on the road. Along the sides, the body lines are cleaner and more sculpted. There's a subtle character line running from the front fender all the way to the rear taillight, and it gives the profile a sense of motion even when it's standing still. The wheel arches are more pronounced, and depending on the trim, you can get wheels up to 21 inches, a first for the Highlander. Around back, the redesigned taillights are connected by a full-width light bar, which is becoming a trend, but Toyota has executed it with restraint. It looks elegant, not overdone. Overall, the proportions are well balanced. It's a big vehicle, but it doesn't look bulky. It looks refined. Step inside, and you'll notice immediately that the interior has taken a significant leap forward. The dashboard has been completely reimagined with a driver-focused layout. Soft touch materials dominate the upper surfaces, and on higher trims, you'll find genuine stitched leather, open-pore wood accents, and metallic trim pieces that wouldn't feel out of place in a Lexus. Front and center is a 12.3-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest multimedia system. It's faster, more responsive, and finally feels like a proper modern infotainment experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the lineup, along with a wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin. The seats are comfortable for long drives, with available heating, ventilation, and power adjustment for both the driver and front passenger. The second row is spacious. Adults will have no complaints about legroom or headroom. And yes, the Highlander still offers a third row, which is best suited for kids or shorter passengers, but it's there when you need it. Behind the third row, cargo space is modest, but fold those seats down and you're looking at a genuinely impressive amount of room. For families hauling sports gear, groceries, or luggage for a road trip, the Highlander delivers. Technology is where the 2027 Highlander really flexes. Toyota Safety Sense has been upgraded to its latest generation, and it now includes a more capable pre-collision system with improved pedestrian and cyclist detection, even in low light conditions. Adaptive cruise control with lane centering is standard, and it works remarkably well on the highway. Smooth, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. You also get a digital rear-view mirror, a surround view camera system, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. On the higher trims, Toyota adds a head-up display that projects speed, navigation directions, and safety alerts directly onto the windshield. The digital cockpit features a 12.3-inch configurable instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, so you can toggle between driving data, navigation, and media without ever taking your eyes off the road. And for families, there's a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and rear seat entertainment options that will keep everyone connected. It's clear that Toyota has been listening. The tech in this Highlander doesn't just check boxes, it genuinely enhances the driving experience. Under the hood, the 2027 Highlander offers 2 powertrain options. The standard setup is a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder hybrid paired with an electronically controlled, continuously variable transmission. Combined system output sits around 245 horsepower, which is more than adequate for daily driving and highway merging. Fuel economy is estimated at around 36 miles per gallon combined. outstanding for a vehicle of this size. For those who want even more efficiency, Toyota introduces a plug-in hybrid option for the first time on the Highlander. It pairs the same hybrid system with a larger battery pack, offering an estimated 40 miles of all-electric range. For a lot of commuters, that means driving to work and back without using a single drop of gasoline. When the battery depletes, it seamlessly transitions into standard hybrid operation. Both powertrains are available with all-wheel drive, and the driving dynamics have been refined with a stiffer chassis and retuned suspension. The Highlander has never been a sports car, and it's not trying to be. But it rides with composure, handles corners with more confidence than you'd expect, and delivers a quiet, smooth highway experience that makes long drives genuinely pleasant. So what's the damage? Pricing for the 2027 Highlander starts in the low to mid $30,000 range for the base hybrid, which is competitive when you consider what you're getting. The plug-in hybrid commands a premium, but federal and state incentives can narrow that gap significantly. Fully loaded, you're looking at the low 50s, which puts it right in line with competitors like the Kia Telluride, Hyundai Palisade, and Chevy Traverse. But here's the thing. Few competitors can match the Highlander's combination of reliability, resale value, fuel efficiency, and now genuine refinement. Toyota has addressed nearly every criticism the previous generation received. It looks better, it drives better, and it finally has the interior and technology to match. If you're shopping for a mid-size 3-row SUV and you want something that your family will enjoy for years to come, the 2027 Toyota Highlander deserves to be at the very top of your list. It's not just an improvement, it's a statement. Toyota is not giving up this segment without a fight.